Hey guys, what's going on? So today we're changing the locks in the 7.3. This is pretty basic stuff. It should work on any 80s or 90s Ford trucks. My truck's particularly an 84, and I'm taking the locks out of a Ford van. But we're going to change the locks, and we're going to show you how. Keep watching. I realize it's dark and you probably can't see much. The truck is black. There's a metal clip right here on the inside of the door. If you look, the mechanism for the locks, the door mechanism's here. There's a clip right up here. We're just going to put the screwdriver in right behind it and pry out. And that's basically all it takes to remove the door locks on one of these. Alright, now that you've got the clip out, the lock should come right out the front of the door. Here's the lock that I have to replace this one. I'm having a hell of a time getting the arm to come out through the hole, so all we're going to do is remove this E-clip right here and just change the tumbler and leave the arm inside the truck. I literally think it's too cold for my suction cup to work. I've dropped the camera so many freaking times. You think I'm a little frustrated with it, guys? Okay, I'm sorry guys if this video is a bust for you. I've got the arm back on, got the tumbler set in the door. We're going to put the clip back in and then try it out. See how that works. If I can get the shadow. Nope. But you just line it up, push it right back in. Wiggle it back and forth a little bit. And it's installed. Lock, unlock. Clutch. Lock, unlock. Lock, unlock. Alright guys, I hope you at least found this a little bit useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe for more tips and helpful hints. Damn it, I broke my screen. Alright, thanks for watching guys.